In this video, I am going to show you how to use the data analysis tool to obtain the summary statistics. So here we have some data. It's unsorted, doesn't need to be sorted. And I am going to go to Data and select the Data Analysis tool. And I'm going to click on the Descriptive Statistics tool. Okay, now I need to input the data. And I can either highlight the data by left clicking and dragging, right? Left click, hold, and drag to highlight all the data, or I could myself have typed in A1 colon A41. Now you will have noticed that the first cell, A1, is a label. So I need to click the box that says labels in first row, and this way it will not try to read that first box as a data value. I want to have Excel find the summary statistics for me, so I click the summary statistics box. And Excel will put this in a new worksheet, or it will put it on the same page. I will go ahead and have it put on a new worksheet. So I will keep that default and to click OK. So here's our output. And zoom in a bit, and I will increase the width here. So because I highlighted my label, my output will have that label, pressure. And here are all the summary statistics. The mean, the standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, which is sample standard deviation. There's a sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, min, max, the sum of all the data, and the count, which is the number of data values. So in this way, you can get all the summary statistics at once without having to compute them individually using the Excel formulas.